Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope we all are doing well. Today I'm going to make a Riz Cantonais soya sauce rice with spaghetti fried inside with turkey wings, a grill. Okay, I'll begin by seasoning the turkey wings for an hour and a half before I'll start. So I have my ginger paste and garlic here, frozen one. I just defrosted it. I have anise powder, basil dried, chicken bouillon, and salt. Then I will mix all up. I'll see you in 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's been 2 hours now. I marinated the turkey wings. So I'm going to part boil it, not too cook, but just boil it somehow before I start grilling it. Now I'm making the coating of the turkey wings. I'm wearing gloves because I'm adding pepper. I want it a bit spicy. And I have dried ginger here. Maggi. Oh yeah. And I'll mix all up. Taste it. If it's sour, I will add a little bit of bicarbonate. I didn't add salt because I marinated the chicken with salt, the turkey wings with salt, so I don't need to add salt. When it's drying in the oven, you can add more. So I'll keep this aside. And this one is going into the oven. I have my spaghetti here. I'm going to break them into small pieces. Or if you have vermicelli, you can use vermicelli. I don't, that's why I'm just saying, let me just use the spaghetti. Nice enough. The quantity of the rice we are cooking, just me and the kids, so I'm going to do this one. You crack it and crack it any how you want. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to cook, it's going to fry anyway. Pan on, so add some oil, and I'll add my spaghetti. The color I'm going for. I pour the oil out and I pour the stock in. I'm heating water. Then we start the rice. My stock is here, so I just eyeball my water. Now add my garlic cube. Now add my soya sauce. One-third cup. I'll cover it up and wash my rice. I'm adding my rice now. Take some water out. I think it's a bit too much.
aside. If I need, I will add. I'm going to take some water out. I think it's a bit too much for my liking, but I'll keep it aside. If I need, I will add. Add my spaghetti fried. Now this the salt. I need a little bit of salt. And I'll add my spaghetti fried. Now this the salt. I think I need a little bit of salt. Reduce the fire to low. Then I will check on the rice later. Meanwhile, I will be prepping some small salad aside. I turned my chicken over, then I realized that this pack needed some tomatoes, so I'm adding it. Goes back in. I'm going in with my rice. Okay, let's see what I will need, because I reduce the fire to low so that it can cook properly. I'm adding some of my remaining water, and I'll cover it up with parchment paper straight away. All the steam will stay in and cook. The turkey wings are grilled already. I off the oven, the grill. So we are waiting for the rice now. My rice stew is ready. It's ready and smelling nice. You can see the spaghetti inside. Okay, let me get the children. This is my dinner. My dinner is served. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.